Hello guys, welcome again. Welcome to Tech Channel. Today in this video, we are going to participate on how to position ourselves for possible Zksyn airdrop. As you all know, yesterday Zksyn announced that they are finally in mainnet, which is public mainnet, which everyone can use so far. So to begin, uh, I hope you guys have Mrs. Browser because we are going to use it for uh, to enjoy everything. Actually, Mrs. Browser is one of the best Web3 browsers so far that I have used. So that is why we are going to use it in this tutorial. So first, if you enter your Mrs. Browser, first thing you need to do is to set off your your MetaMask. When you set up your MetaMask, here is the MetaMask. When you set up it, then you need to send Ethereum because you are using mainnet. That means you are going to use money uh, to interact with the blockchain so far. So you need to copy your wallet address and send Ethereum from your centralized exchange or any place you can get. So when you send your Ethereum there, that means the mainnet Ethereum, we are going to bridge that Ethereum to Zksyn Ethereum so that we can use it there. So let's go. When I enter my MetaMask now, let me post this. So now when you enter your MetaMask, just copy your Ethereum address. So when you copy your Ethereum address and send your Ethereum from any exchange using the Ethereum mainnet network, which is the ERC20, your balance will show here. So when you finally receive that, the next thing is to add Zksyn network. So for that, come to this website, which is the chainlist.org. When you come to this website, let me refresh it. So when you come to this website, the next thing we are going to do here is to search for that Zksyn Zksyn network. So let me just delete it here. If you put ZK, you see ZK here at the beginning, at the top safe. Let me put it again, ZK. So ZK will come up here. Sorry, K. So here is the ZK that we are going to use, which is the ZK Era mainnet. You see it? So you can even add it manually, but for this, you are going to add it automatically. So for this, click on this connect wallet now. When you click on this connect wallet, it will direct you to a MetaMask to sign this transaction. So we are going to click on next now and then click on connect. So when you finally click on connect now, it will show you to approve this and then switch network. That means we are going to switch this Ethereum network to Zksyn. So for now, I will not click on let me just click on it because we are going to change this network again. So now that we have finally add the network in our MetaMask, you can even check it here. Let us enter it again and confirm whether the network is there. You see that the network is here now. Here's the network and the balance is 0 0. So for us to get Ethereum to our Zksyn, we actually need to bridge it. That means we need to bridge our Ethereum from the mainnet to the ZK. So now to do that, I will go to this website, which is the official ZK website for the bridge. Here it is. Bridge, you see the link here. I will drop all the link in the description of this video. Here's the link, bridge.zksyn.io. So when you come to this place, you need to just click on this connect to MetaMask. When you click on connect to MetaMask, it will show you to connect this. So now that I finally connect this website, I can now change my network so that I can bridge. Like, let me do something here. Yeah, before wait, yeah. Now that you see my balance, my Ethereum balance, which is the mainnet balance, is showing here. So I will just put any amount I wanted to bridge to Zk. Bridge is like taking one thing from another, from one blockchain to another blockchain. That's what bridge means. So now I'm going to take Ethereum from this. Let me highlight from this to this Zk Era mainnet. So let me just type the balance manually. 0.06. Let me send 0.06 3. Let me see. Oh, let me just leave the 0.06. 0.00, 0.0. Let's wait. I think I'll just bridge this 0.06 so that we will have some Ethereum for gas fee in case. So now I'll just click on deposit. Now that I click on deposit, it will direct me to my MetaMask to tell me to switch this network. So when I switch this network, it will show me now to approve this transaction and the gas fee that I will pay. As you can see, we are paying $3 for this gas fee, and then here's the total amount that we are going to bridge to our Zk. So now click on confirm. When you confirm this, you just need to wait for it. I think it will take around 5 minutes, as they say. So I'm going to pause this video. As you can see, even though the transaction is successfully, you actually need to wait for it for at least 5 minutes for the transaction for the Ethereum to be available in our Zk network. So we're still going to wait for it to finish. Position. So after like 5 minutes, the transaction is now uh, completed. So if you can check this balance, you see that in our Zk sync we have 0.06, which tell us that our bridge is complete. You can even come to this withdraw. You see the balance here. So now let us also verify this by checking our MetaMask. So let me check my MetaMask. So here it is. Let me change this to. So here it is. We have finally bridges. So now the first thing to do here is to since we have finally bridged our Ethereum mainnet to Zk, we can now start our interaction with the Zk product. Like anything in the Zk, you can actually go there to make some transaction. So this video alone will not I will not guarantee you I will not give you a guarantee that it will qualify you for airdrop, but interacting there time to time will actually did. So you need to be interacting with it at least, let's say, every month, or every buying now that the blockchain is even live, you can also get some opportunity here to make some money by buying some tokens there. I see a lot of memes right now, so you can actually like bridge that and also make money while waiting for airdrop. So now let's start with our first task. Our first task is to enter Zksyn swap. This is the link here. I will drop it in the description of this video. Zksyn swap dot xyz/swap. So when you come to this website, you see that the interface is more of what you know. Like you're already familiar with the interface. You know how to swap. So first thing, I will need to I will need to start by connecting my MetaMask to this website. So I will click on this get started, and then select the wallet I'm using. I'm using MetaMask, so I'm going to select MetaMask. So now that I select MetaMask, I just need to verify to connect this. Click on next, click on connect. So now that I finally connect it successfully, so the next thing is to start my swapping. So I will just make sure what you are swapping here didn't exit all what you have, so that you have some little, so that you have some remaining Ethereum for gas fee, because for we are using Ethereum in Zk's network to pay our gas fee. So you understand. So now I'm going to just type 0.5 after sorry 0.05. You see that is $85 dollars, 85 USDC. So I will just click on swap to start my first swap in Zksyn Era mainnet. So wait for it. Yeah, as you can see, it is estimating my gas fee. So here is the total amount. Here is the gas fee. You see the gas fee is 1.16 dollar, but don't give up. There is Zksyn swap have a, like, they have one feature. I think this is the first time for me seeing it. They will refund some little amount for you. I think the real gas fee will not pass around $0.5, $0.3, something like that. So let me just click on confirm. When I click on confirm, I will show you what I mean now. So yeah, here's what I mean by refunding. Like, if you can check here, you see that the gas refund, they refund almost 72% of what you have paid for gas fee. Remember, we paid 1.1 dollar. So if you do minus 72, you find out that you only pay little amount. Let us check. You see, you only pay 0.27 for gas fee. So you don't need to worry. Everything is fine. And ZK Sync is very very fast network. So you can do a lot of swap here to generate more volume, like do a lot of swap, uh, interact with a lot of peers. Don't just swap using USDC. Swap with a lot of peers. If there is a lot of peers like DAI, like any kind of token, you can actually swap it. Let the swap look like you are just using it as your normal work or normal swap, not like you are hunting airdrop. You understand? So let me change this one. Let me just randomly change this. Let me change this one. You understand? I changed the pair so that it will look like, yes, I am a royal member. I'm a loyal member. Sorry. Click on 100%, and then you see swap it. First, you need to unlock. Since this is my first time using the USDC, I need to unlock, like, approve in some other decks. So confirm this. ZK is actually very very cheap, very very cheap. ZK Sync is actually very very cheap network. So I will just click on swap. So confirm this. Here we are. That means you make like 2 transactions right now. You can do this multiple times. Like you can, maybe let's say every month you do this like 20 times. You understand? Just make a lot of interaction, a lot of works, like a lot of things there, so that you'll be eligible. If not, I don't think you'll be eligible. Let me swap this again. Let me just 0.001. So let us use this one, 0.001. Swap this, permit Ethereum, sign this, and then come back to swap now. Swap. Confirm this. So here this, you can do this at your own leisure. Just make sure you make a lot of swaps. After you make a lot of swaps and you finish with the swaps, you can now go to the next task. The next task here, we are going to add the liquidity in Zksyn swap. So click on this navigation button. I just click this place. When you click on it, it will show you this place. So now click on pool. When you click on pool, as you can see, you can add new position. So I'm going to click on this. Here's the position that I wanted to add. I'm going to add liquidity of USDC with Warrap Ethereum. So let me click on this now. When you click on this, you can now add, you can click on this now. My position, like this deposit, sorry. When you click on this deposit here, so here you can now deposit, you can now add liquidity. So for the sake of this tutorial, I'm just going to add little liquidity to show you how to do this. So that is why I just swapped this 3 points. I'll just use this $3.4. If I use maximum, then here you can now, you can either type, make sure you know why adding liquidity, you need to add the ratio to be 1 to 1. So I'm going to add, I'm going to click this button here, so that it will automatically show the exact amount I need for Ethereum to add this liquidity. What I experience here is that, like, you can add using this Zksyn swap, you can add liquidity. Even the token you are adding, they are not 1 to 1. Like, you can add, like the way some decks have single way liquidity, where you can add only 1 token and you are good to go. So after you see that 3.4 is equivalent to 0.01 Ethereum. So I'm going to just, let me change this place to Warrap Ethereum. So because I'm using Warrap Ethereum right now to add this liquidity, that is why I changed this to Warrap Ethereum, which is the WETH. So now I'm going to click on this deposit now, then confirm this transaction. Click on confirm. Now that you click on confirm, wait for the transaction to finish. Okay, after some kind of delay, we have finally add the liquidity. The liquidity, as you can see, here's my position, and here's the value of my position, which is $6.8. So here's the pair that I use, which is the USDC which is the USDC, and Warab Ethereum. So now that we have added the liquidity, you can now come back to trade, make a lot of transaction as I told you guys. The reason why I didn't do a lot here is for the sake of this tutorial, to make everything very very simple and make the video very short. So that is why I'll just move on. So the next task is to go to this website again. This mood, it is actually it is also DEX, decentralized exchange, just like Zksyn swap. So when you come to this website, the next thing is to connect your wallet using MetaMask. That is why I advise you to use this Mrs, because it is very very reliable and very very efficient. But for those who are already familiar with Kiwi browser, they can go ahead and use it. It is all the same. Connect wallet. So now I have connected my wallet successfully with mood.switch. Mood, see the website here, app.mood.io/swap. So now that I have already done this, I will just come here and swap also. Make a lot of swap, just the way I told you uh for that Zksyn swap. So just make a lot of swaps also here. Let me just do it, even if it is once or twice. So just 0.04. So just let me see the equivalent, wait for it to finish loading. So now here it is. Click on swap, then wait for the transaction to pop up in your MetaMask so that you can confirm this. So after the estimation, here it is. Click on confirm. So I have finally do this. Then you can also do a lot of transactions, use a lot of pairs. Here's there is one coin here which is mood. I think this is the coin for the, this is the token for the DEX. So I will use it as example also. That is why I say, if there is a lot of tokens you see there, make sure you interact. Just do as if you are doing normal transaction. So let me swap this my USDC to this smooth. Okay, let me approve this. So here it is. Let me swap back to my USDC. So let me swap back again. I can even change this token pair. Maybe let me say Ethereum. Let me swap back to my Ethereum. So let's wait for it. You get it now. So now we can now confirm this. Then swap, then approve this now. think this deck is actually charging fees, a lot of fees. Move on. So I will cancel this one. As you can see, we have at least do some little transaction here, so you can do more of this. As you can see, here is what I'm saying. There are a lot of memes right now. You can even make money in this ecosystem right now as early as possible. You can make a lot of money. Like today when I check this ZK Doge, I find out that it do almost more than 20x. Imagine if you are early and you buy it, you could have make some profit right now. So I'm not advising you to buy this ZK Dojo. Don't go and lose your money. I'm just giving you example. Just giving you example. Watch out to the ecosystem. There are a lot of gems there, so that you guys can leverage it. So after that, you can actually do transaction with all this, since they have already added liquidity here. You can do a lot of transaction. So for the sake of this video, I think I will move on to the next steps. So let's proceed. But before that, I forget to tell you, you can even for these decks, you can also add liquidity if you want. If you click on that navigation button here and you click on this pool here, you can come to this pool and add liquidity if you want. Before you add liquidity, make sure you know the risks involved in adding liquidity and the reward involved in it. Adding liquidity is like you are providing liquidity and uh, you'll be earning fee. You'll be earning reward, like the fee that people are paying to swap there. You'll be earning from it. So that's how the pool is working here. So now let's move on, guys. So the next the next task is to enter this main square. Main square is NFT marketplace, NFT creation place. So, and I think there are only three to four network. That means you can test this in testnet. You can do it for stacknet. I'm going to make a video for this stacknet also, how to position yourself for possible stack token airdrop. So here is the Zksyn. Here is stacknet mainnet. So for now, let us start with the stacknet because we are going to use it. So now click on this icon here. Since we are look at the website here, which is the meansquare.io. So now when you come to meansquare, then select your network you are going to use. We are going to use for this tutorial, we are going to use Zksyn Era. So after that, click on this place, this wallet icon. When you click on it, it will show you to connect wallet. When you click on connect wallet, it will direct you automatically your MetaMask to connect this website with your wallet. Now that I successfully connect it, so the next thing, normally if you go to any marketplace, the next to do interaction, it's either you buy NFTs, you mint NFTs, or you do everything that will count there. So so here we are going to, there are two collections here, which are the verified collections. So there is also Zksyn name service, even though this one is not like verified one, but we are going to also use it for the purpose of this tutorial. So now I'm not going to buy this one. We are going to also create our own, like mint our own name. So now let's go back. When you come back, click on explore. When you click on this explore, then you can now click on this place, NFTs. When you click on these NFTs now, from here we are going to just buy any random NFT we saw here, just for for interaction. So I'm going to select click on this place and select the lowest to highest, like the lowest price should come up and the highest price should go down. So I'll just click on it and then lower to higher. So now you see a lot of NFTs that people mint from low price to high price. So here it is. You can just, it's just for the sake of like positioning yourself. So you can just feel free to mine which one you want. You see, all these things are people like me just minted it. We are going to mint our own also. We are going to mint NFT here also. So don't worry. I'm going to show you how to also mint your own. In case if you have any idea, or if you have any business idea about NFT, you can come to this place and mint your NFT so to sell it for people. So now I'm just scrolling to find something reasonable, something portable, something that makes sense. So all these things, I think I'll just go with this one. Let me go with this one. Let me go with it. The price is 0.004. Wow. I think this one is even expensive. Sure. Let me see the price in dollar. Like my network is kind of slow. Yeah. Let me see the price in dollars. Yeah, the price in dollar is around 0.8. As you can see, I think we can reach this. Yeah, I can reach this. So let me click on this buy now. When you click on this buy, before you can click on purchase, to direct you to your wallet. So I understand. So click on mint. I don't know why this gas fee sometimes look. Uh, Click on confirm. Yeah, congratulations! I finally purchased NFTs. So yeah, here we go. This tutorial it will actually guide you on how to buy NFTs also. You understand? If you watch this video, you'll know how to buy NFT right now, because you can buy any NFT here. You can buy even the blue chips NFTs and other NFTs, not what we have. I just use this for the purpose of this video. So you can also buy blue chips NFTs. As you can see here are the top collections, and people are already interacting with them. You see this app, ZK app, is one of the top one. As you can see, many people the price is somehow high. That is why I didn't use it. If not, I could have used it. But 0.07 is more than $100. So if you have up to that, you can buy it actually, because this is very very good project, good NFT project. So it's not financial advice, guys. So don't go and put yourself into, and then later on if you make some loss, you are responsible for your loss. So now that we have finally opened like mint buy NFT, let's mint our own NFT. So click on this navigation button here. Click on this icon. When you click on it, it will show you a lot of options. As you can see, you can even set your profile. So you can click on this now, this mint, to mint your own. So let me start by setting my profile to make it more matured. So I will just let me use my tech class. Guys, don't forget to follow and share this video, and then don't forget to subscribe. Click on the notification button for more videos like this. So you can write anything here, you can just save it. Sorry, I leave graph. I leave graph. That is why space. I leave space. That is why it isn't save. So let me update profile. Sign this. So after you sign this now, as you can see, you can as well put can as well add let me go back again so that I will add any profile pic. uh which one will I use here? Let me just use this one, and then you can also choose your from your NFTs. If you get a lot of NFTs that you wanted to use for profile, you can use it. So for this, I'm going to just let me add back a banner. So let me add this one also. So now I will just click on update and then sign this. When you sign this, so let's wait for it. Let's continue. As you can see, I have already added the profile and the banners. So here's the NFT that I purchased. So now let's mint our own NFT. Click on mint NFT. Click on upload. To upload you can upload any of your image. What will I mint here? Don't have any. Let me go to my my gallery. Maybe I can get any. Can get something tangible. So let me just add this one and then mint it. So let me just add name for it. You can add anything. Zksyn public roadmap. Let me say roadmap, since you can add description. So from here we go. So now you can add external link. You can add. I'm not going to add anything here. Just click on mint. Wait for it for your MetaMask to pop up so that you can sign this transaction and pay for the services. Ooh, $1. God, I beg. Yeah, here it is. We have successfully minted NFT now. So let's go profile and see what we have minted. You see, here is what I minted. I can also list it in the market so that maybe if someone wanted to buy it, he can buy. Can list it. Say click on sell, put the price you wanted to sell it, unlock, and then input price you wanted to sell it. So steady. So now let's go for the next step. You can mint guys, you can mint a lot of NFTs here. Just use it as your normal NFT market. If you hunt any NFT from ZK ecosystem and they are going to mint it here, or they are going to sell it here, you can sell it. You can come to your mint square to sell your NFTs and other non-fungible assets. So now we are going to let us go to the website for the ZK for the name service. As I told you, you are responsible for all your loss. That ZK name service we are going to use is not official one. Like, they haven't partnered with ZK, so they may be partner with them, I don't know. But for this video we are going to test it. Actually, I think it costs around $7 plus gas fee $2, around $8 to around $9 to get one. So you can go there and do it if you want. Let us go to collections, where the ZK. Yeah, here it is, Zksyn name service. So they already got verified here on Min Square. So that doesn't guarantee you that you can see the volume. People are not even buying. So you can, yeah, let's go to the website. Click on this place to go to the website. When you click on this to go to the website, so now here's the website. As you can see, you can click on this launch app. You can click on this launch app. When you click on this launch app, so here it is. You can search the name you want. Let me search for this tech class, and then click on search. I think I leave some space, that is why. Let me delete this space. So search again. As you can see, if the name is available, you see available here. If the name is not available, you see unavailable here. So I will just, since the name is available, I will just click on it. As you can see, the price is around $0.7, and the period here is for 1 year. So the more you choose the year, the more you pay. You see, if you are going to pay for 2 years, you are going to pay $12. So for 1 year, I choose for 1 year. Now I just need to click on connect. Click on this place to connect with your MetaMask. Sorry, this place. So when you click on it, you can select the connect with MetaMask wallet. Then you click on next. Now when you click on next, click on connect. So now you can just click on register with Ethereum. When you click on it, it should direct you to your wallet. You see, here's what you are going to pay right now. See, around $10. Sorry, around $10. So let me just buy it. So for the sake of this video, I just buy it, and you see successful message. So if you come to this place right now, you come to this place, you see your NFT here. You can see it here. Here is your name. Sorry, your name, your domain. Here it is. So from here you can now serve this as your primary domain. Click on serve, and then confirm this. Yeah, so now that you confirm this, So we have finally buy this NFT. So let me just disconnect this to be in the safe place. So now you can now let me show you NFC your domain name here. If you come to this and you enter your profile, you see the name that you just minted right now. You see it here? Here it is. You can sell it now if you want. You can hold it. You can do whatever you want. It is your own now. It is yours. So now that we test this, we interact with this, we can now. Okay, let's proceed with the next step now. So we test a lot of the apps right now. So let us test this. So now here's the website that we are going to use now, which is the Orbiter.finance. Orbiter is a bridging protocol. That means we can use it to bridge from one network to another. Right now, Orbiter doesn't have token, and you know what that means. Interacting with it may be eligible for you to receive airdrop. So that is why we are going to also use it. Let me say, I'm going to show you how to use it. And yeah, first we are going to start with the connection of the website, and that is what the website automatically doing for us now. So when you click on the connect and you connect with the website successfully, so from this website you can bridge from one network to another. You see there are a lot of networks here. So now that I have money in my ZK Era, sorry, I can bridge my Zksyn Era to ZK Lite. ZK Lite, this ZK Lite, they are all product of Zksyn. You understand? So this is the first version of the first mainnet of Zksyn. So interacting with this Zksyn Lite may also be one of the criteria to receive airdrop or something like that. So I recommend you guys to actually bridge some money from your Zksyn. If you bridge it, go to Zksyn and then do some little interaction there, and then you're good to go. So but this Zksyn like is bit slow and somehow not user friendly. Actually, it's not user friendly because there are no a lot of their apps there. So that is why you can actually go there and then do some little 1 to 2 things, and then you can uh yeah, you can then bridge out your money and then send your money out. So let me show you some of the tasks you can do there. In this video, I think I'm not going to do that because it will take a lot of times. So that is why I'm just going to simulate it for you guys. So let's go, guys. Let me show you the ZK Lite, some of the apps here you can do. If you come to this website, which is lite.zksync.io/account, or let me just delete this slash account. Just put this and then go to this website now. So when you come to this website, this is the ZK Lite. So it's like light version of the main Zksyn. So as I told you, there is no much of that apps there, so you are going to manage it actually. So from here, you can now click on this you can click on this connect with Ethereum. When you click on it, you can now select your MetaMask. So now that you select your MetaMask, wait for it so that you can connect your website with that website. So with that, yeah, click on connect. So you see it's a wrong network, so please switch to network. Yeah, we are using what they are saying, what they are trying to say is that we are using wrong network. So we are going to, let me try it again. We are going to put the right network for us to actually connect with this website successfully. We are going to look for ZK Lite to add it. I don't think we are going to add any network. Wait, I don't know why. Sorry, we are going to change this network to Ethereum. Sorry guys, we are going to change this network to Ethereum because ZK Lite is not like network on its own. It's like they are leveraging it's like sub account on Ethereum, like a, let me show you. If you come to this mainnet now and you click on connect wallet now, hopefully this one will work now. You see now it works successfully. As you can see, the wallet is now successfully connected. So now that the wallet is connected successfully, you can now top up. You can click on this top up so that you can bridge using the official Zksyn version 1. You can actually bridge some money from your Ethereum to this ZK Lite, which is the Zksyn version 1. So but if you use that method, that means you use this method, this one that I show you, that means you bridge from Zksyn Era to ZK Lite, you will see your balance showing here. You see your balance showing around here. So now that your balance is showing, you can now click on this NFT. You can click on this NFT. When you click on this NFT, you can mint NFT here. You can click on this mint NFT and then sign the transaction before you can mint. Before you can mint, as you can see, they say I have to activate this account and put, that means I have to put some money here before I can use it. Maybe later on I may decide to do a video about this light, but for now, keep enjoying that ZK Sync Era mainnet, because it is more comfortable and more sweet than this, more faster and everything than this. So uh so after you have done with everything and you test everything, like you interact with everything, maybe you wanted to send your money back to your wallet, so you can now bridge your Ethereum, this your Ethereum Era. Let's say I wanted to bridge this remaining money that is here. I can just change this one to Ethereum. That means I'm going to bridge this money that is in my ZK Era to my Ethereum. So I will just put the amount here, and then maybe let's say I put this and then click on, let me just reduce this. Let me show you. Sorry. So after you add this, then you can now click on send. The reason why, and one of the reasons why we are going to use this to withdraw back our money, is that if you are using the official bridge, that means the official Zksyn bridge, it will take around 24 hours before your money will be, you see it here, up to 24 hours before your money will be available in your Ethereum wallet. So it is better, if you are in a hurry, you can use this orbiter. You can use this orbiter to bridge. But as you know, since we are using third party, that means we are going to pay a lot of gas fee than the normal one. I think you are going to pay like $8 to $7 around that. But your transaction will be arrived, I think, in less than 10 minutes. In less than 10 minutes, you receive your Ethereum. So that is the one of the reasons for using this third party bridge. So guys, I think this will be the end of this video, and I hope you guys will enjoy this video, and this video will be helpful to you. Thank you guys for watching this video, and see you next in our next airdrop positioning videos. you can also share this video, subscribe to this channel, and then turn on notification for more video like this. Thank you guys for watching. Peace.